the lower witness knows. The higher witness is just the being. So she's saying if the thought arises, obviously the lower witness is there to know. But understand, lower witness is the wave which is of the ocean. First, this wave didn't know I am the ocean. Now this wave, even if it has arisen, it knows I am the ocean. Yeah, that is the difference. The ignorant wave versus the wise wave.